In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with Zendesk. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Zendesk account successfully connected to Salesforce, so data can flow between the two systems and your team can work more efficiently. Let's start inside your Zendesk account. First, log into your Zendesk admin dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons. Find the rocket-shaped icon. This is the shortcut to the Zendesk Admin Center. Go ahead and click that to open the main configuration area for your account. When the Admin Center loads, you'll again look to the left panel where all the major settings are grouped. Here, find the section labeled Apps and Integrations. Click on it to expand the menu options underneath. From the expanded list, choose Integrations. This is where Zendesk keeps all the out-of-the-box connections to other platforms. Inside the integrations page, you'll see a list of available integrations. Locate the one labeled Salesforce and click it. This opens the configuration screen that will guide you through connecting Zendesk to your Salesforce environment. On this screen, you'll be asked to choose which Salesforce instance you want to connect. Typically, you'll see options like Production or Sandbox. If you're just testing or experimenting, it's usually safer to start with a sandbox so you don't affect real customer data. If you're ready to go live and you've already tested the setup, choose Production. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct environment for your situation. Next, you'll see a checkbox referring to the terms of use for this integration. Read through the text if you need to, then check the box to confirm that you agree to those terms. This step is required to proceed. Once the checkbox is ticked, move to the bottom right corner of the page and click the Connect Salesforce button. This triggers the actual connection process between the two systems. At this point, the page may reload or open a new window, asking if you want to allow access between Zendesk and Salesforce. This is a standard authorization prompt to make sure you're intentionally granting permission. Review the message, and when you're ready, click Allow. After you click Allow, Zendesk and Salesforce will complete the handshake in the background, and your integration will be established.